Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TradingView chart not moving issue. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Turn it off and then back on to make sure it's stable. Next, open TradingView, go to the chart option and click on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Click Reset Price Scale. Then go back to Settings, scroll down and select More Settings. Now, click on the three dots at the bottom left and choose Apply Default. If your chart is still stuck, click the three dots at the top, scroll down and use the Hide or Eye icon to hide or unhide the graph. Finally, go to your phone settings, open App Management, search for TradingView, tap Storage Usage, and clear cache and data. That's it. Your chart should now move smoothly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips.